Imagine a world where machines can learn, make decisions, and even predict the future. Is this a utopian dream or a dystopian nightmare? This is the world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, often shortened to AI, is no longer a concept confined to the pages of science fiction novels or the screens of Hollywood blockbusters. It's a reality, a part of our everyday lives, subtly influencing the decisions we make and the information we consume. From the social media algorithms that curate our feeds to the voice assistants that schedule our appointments, AI is everywhere. So what exactly is AI? It's a broad term that refers to machines or software that emulate human intelligence. They perform tasks that would normally require human cognition, such as understanding natural language, recognizing patterns, solving problems, and making decisions. Now let's consider some examples. Have you ever wondered how your social media feed seems to know exactly what you're interested in? That's AI at work, using algorithms to analyze your online behavior and tailor content to your preferences. Or consider voice assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. These digital helpers use AI to understand your commands, answer your questions, and even learn from your interactions to improve their responses over time. And then there's the exciting world of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars use AI to navigate the roads, avoid obstacles, and get you safely to your destination. They're constantly learning from their environment, making millions of calculations every second to ensure a smooth and safe ride. The applications of AI are vast and varied, spanning from healthcare to finance, from entertainment to education. It's transforming industries, revolutionizing the way we work, and redefining the boundaries of what machines can do. But how does AI achieve all this? Is it magic, or is it something we can understand? Well, the answer is far from magic, and yes, it is something we can understand. As we delve deeper into the world of AI, we'll uncover the mechanisms that drive this fascinating technology. So, buckle up and prepare for a captivating journey into the intriguing world of artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence isn't magic, it's science. It's a combination of advanced mathematics, computer science, and a dash of creativity. Let's break it down. The term artificial intelligence may sound like something out of a science fiction movie, but it's actually quite simple. At its core, AI is about teaching machines to mimic human intelligence, to think, learn, and solve problems. So, how does AI learn? Here's where the concept of machine learning comes into play. Machine learning is a subfield of AI, where computers are taught to learn from data without being explicitly programmed. It's like teaching a child to recognize a cat. You show them pictures of different cats, and over time, they learn to identify a cat, even if they've never seen that particular cat before. Now imagine doing the same thing, but with a computer. You feed it thousands or even millions of data points, and it learns to recognize patterns and make decisions based on that data. This is done through algorithms, which are essentially sets of rules or instructions that the computer follows to learn from the data. Here's where it gets interesting. The more data you feed the computer, the more it learns and the better it gets at making decisions or predicting outcomes. That's why data is often referred to as the fuel for AI. But it's not just about quantity, quality matters too. The data needs to be relevant and accurate for the AI to make correct decisions. It's like teaching a child. The better the teaching materials, the better the child learns. So, in essence, AI is a kind of super advanced calculator. It takes in data, crunches the numbers using complex algorithms, and spits out decisions or predictions. But unlike a regular calculator, AI has the ability to learn and adapt. It can improve over time, becoming more accurate and efficient. AI is like a very advanced calculator with the ability to learn and adapt. But should we be wary of its potential? With great power comes great responsibility, and AI is no exception. The potential impact of AI on humanity is wide-ranging, from the beneficial to the potentially harmful. Let's first delve into the benefits. AI is like a magic wand that can significantly enhance efficiency across sectors. It can automate mundane tasks, freeing up human time for more creative and complex problem-solving. Imagine a world where your daily chores are taken care of by smart machines, leaving you with ample time to pursue your passions or simply relax. Furthermore, AI can play a pivotal role in breakthrough advancements in critical fields. In healthcare, AI algorithms can process and analyze vast amounts of data, leading to early detection of diseases and personalized treatment plans. When it comes to climate change, AI can optimize energy usage, predict weather patterns, and even aid in developing eco-friendly technologies. However, the magic of AI is not without its dark side. One of the most pressing concerns is job displacement. As AI and automation become more prevalent, there's a risk that many jobs, particularly those involving repetitive tasks, may become obsolete. This could lead to widespread unemployment if not managed carefully. Privacy is another significant issue. With AI's ability to analyze vast amounts of data, there's a risk of misuse, particularly when it comes to personal information. In an increasingly digital world, safeguarding our privacy becomes a paramount concern. And then there's the potential for AI to be used maliciously. Sophisticated AI algorithms could fall into the wrong hands, leading to scenarios like manipulated media, cyber attacks, and even autonomous weapons. As we advance in this realm, it's crucial to establish robust ethical and regulatory frameworks. Balancing the benefits and risks of AI is a challenge for all of humanity. The promise of AI is immense, but so are the potential pitfalls. As we continue to unlock the potential of this powerful technology, it's up to us to navigate its course responsibly. The future of AI is in our hands. One fear that often comes up when discussing AI is whether it could one day turn against us. Could our creations become our masters? It's a question as old as technology itself. When we speak of superintelligent AI, we're referring to a theoretical form of artificial intelligence that not only matches human intelligence, but surpasses it. This concept sparks a degree of trepidation because it's not entirely in the realm of science fiction. If AI continues to evolve at its current rate, it might not be so far-fetched to envision a future where machines outsmart their creators. Some experts express concerns about this possibility, pointing out that an AI with superior intellect could potentially become uncontrollable. It could make decisions and take actions that humans might not understand or agree with. These experts argue that we need to approach AI development with caution, implementing safeguards and regulations to keep AI in check. However, this dystopian scenario is not universally agreed upon. There are others who believe that such fears are largely unfounded, or at the very least, manageable. They argue that AI, like any tool, is only as good or as bad as the way it's used. If we program our AI systems with ethical guidelines and continue to monitor their learning processes, then we should be able to prevent them from becoming a threat. Moreover, it's important to remember that the development of superintelligent AI is not a certainty. It's a possibility, yes, but it's also a complex challenge that may take many more decades, if not centuries, to realize. And even if we do eventually create such AI, it's not a given that it will necessarily be a menace. It could also be a tremendous ally, helping us solve problems and achieve goals that are currently beyond our reach. Whether AI is a friend or foe may ultimately depend on how we manage its development. By approaching AI with a balanced perspective, acknowledging its potential risks while also harnessing its vast potential, we can hope to shape a future where AI serves as a tool for human advancement rather than a threat to our existence. The future of AI is uncertain, but one thing is clear. AI is here to stay, and it will continue to shape our world. We've traversed the intriguing world of artificial intelligence, demystifying its complex workings and gauging its potential impact. By now, you have a clearer understanding of what AI is and how it functions. You've seen how it's more than just a buzzword. It's a revolutionary technology that's already transforming industries and societies. We've learned that AI at its core is about creating intelligent machines that mimic human thought processes. It's not magic or sci-fi, it's based on algorithms, data, and computational power. We've discovered how AI works, using machine learning and deep learning to improve and evolve, just like humans, only at a much faster pace. We've also explored the potential impact of AI on humanity. The effects can be profound, from enhancing productivity and efficiency to potentially solving some of our most pressing global issues. But it's not all rosy. There are legitimate concerns about job displacement, privacy, and security that we need to address. And then, we delved into the controversial question, could AI turn on humans? The truth is, there is no definitive answer. AI is a tool, and like any tool, it can be used for good or ill. The potential for AI to cause harm lies not in the technology itself, but in how it's used and controlled. As we conclude, we encourage you to continue learning about AI. It's an exciting and rapidly evolving field that promises to reshape our world in ways we can't yet fully grasp. But as we embrace this technological revolution, we must do so critically, considering its implications and striving to ensure it benefits all of humanity, not just a select few. As we navigate this brave new world of AI, remember, the future isn't written yet. It's up to us to write it.